name please?
Aslam.
Aslam. Aslam, come to the front. Please be seated. First of all, the case. You read the case in.
You can come and change. Stand here and read the case.
Just go through the. Okay, so first case for you. You carefully read.
On May 28, a 3-year-old boy climbed over a public barrier at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens Gorilla World and fell 15 feet into the exhibit's moat. Zookeepers immediately tried to draw 3 gorillas away from the scene. But Harambe, a western lowland silverback gorilla, grabbed the boy by the ankle and dragged him several meters across the exhibit. Fearing the boy was in danger, zoo officials took the decision to shoot Harambe. The tragedy involved 3 separate but related issues: the killing of the animal, questions about safety provisions, and the defense of zoos themselves as humane institutions. You, as the PR, that is Public Relation Officer of the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden, are to release a statement at the press conference and address this issue.
Okay, are you clear about the case? Okay, you can sit here.
First your statement.
Your statement about the case.
So in our Cincinnati Zoo, a small boy, in our Cincinnati Zoo, a small boy, he climbed over 15 feet he slipped out there, and one gorilla has took him. So this is because of careless of their parents it happened, and we have maintained a well security there. But because of that, into the itself, the small boy just climbed there. But our security there has started to stop him, but he rushed to climb and he fell down there. So we can't shoot the gorilla first because we are zookeeper. We need a zoo. Gorilla also is very important for us. So we have planned that giving a high dosage to get gorilla sleep like that.
How dare you insult the parents? You are telling they are.
No, this is it's parents. But it's a 3-year-old kid, right? He's not 18 years old.
You invite them to bring their children.
Yeah, we can invite them because they can see what is they can.
You should have the responsibility to take care of the children.
Yes, sir. We can't responsible, right, sir.
You are not even having.
100 of them. 100 of them is out
my
there.
question. I am asking a question representing the press.
Yes.
And you don't have the patience to listen to my question carefully.
Sorry for that.
This is
Yes.
not the way in which you
Sorry for that.
press meet.
Okay.
Now,
Because I have to
already,
convey. He asked me that I have to convey my answer right. So for that I said.
Continue. Yes.
The Cincinnati Zoo is a very famous one. You have the responsibility to take.
Yes, sir.
safety
You have
measures.
responsibility.
No.
It's not a wish.
Your
It's
safety
a
measures are not at all adequate.
no, sir. For in zoo, not 1 people or 2 people are visiting. There are a lot of people are visiting. So
They are
right?
visiting and
So
they
we
are
have
paying.
security.
They
But
are
even
paying.
though it happens, it's
You are
human
some-
nature, right?
you are
So we are
someone-
not a machines to be correct in 100%. Even Dettol are also 99.9%. In what is 0.1%, it's there, right? So we can't give that much accurate security for them because it happens. Because we have a lot of people, it's a Sunday, even it can be a holiday, so we can't give that much protection for this. It's a balanced.
See, these gorillas are a rare species.
Yes.
You know that.
It's a rare
And you
species.
have already shot one.
We have shot one, we have saved 3, right? Because we can't do right.
No, you have not saved 3. Only one boy, small kid. Just because Harambe cannot speak, you have shot.
Completely, you are putting the blame on others. Actually.
No, it's not. We are taking measures, sir. Sir, we are taking measures.
What are the measures
right?
you are taking?
Next time we make a tight security
What are
in
the
this.
measures you have taken now?
Now we are planning to do. This.
You are planning to do what?
Yeah, we are planning. Say
What you are planning to do?
for taking some measures.
What are the measures you are going to
Sir,
take?
we are just now we are going to make the securities more and CCTV cameras like that. and first we have to get signboard, extra signboards to keep away from them. And for children, mostly we have some play areas like them to
We have
attack
done
them.
it
But,
before actually, signboards and all in the gorilla.
yes,
field.
signboards are there. Even though for children like that, say some rhymes are there for like playful, right? That playful thing we have to show the signs for the
You
children.
had
We have to keep.
anticipated it actually, you know, you cannot play with the life of children and you played with the life
Because
of
of his play, he lost his like. It's not our fault, right? His fault. Because each life is there in their hand. They have to take care of responsibility. Because of him, we lost a gorilla. So we have to care for that. Yeah. So it's a rare species, gorilla. You saw like it's a rare species. So where we will get? Huh? We can't go to Abhinan father say, gorilla, come on, we can't do.
But as per the law of the land, you can be taken to task, you can be jailed for killing an animal.
It's not for, it's a human. If we didn't kill the gorilla, the Human Rights Commission, they ask us, why man, why you can shoot, it's animal rights goes there. If you kill animal, the animal rights will come. Why you shoot a gorilla, you can kill a child right there. So we are, so like a posing knife on my head,
You
like
cannot take
that.
the responsibility, you are putting blame, you are telling about.
So,
the-
I am not a blame.
The best thing is you can close down your zoo.
No, we can't close.
Why?
No.
You are not taking any responsibility.
We
How
are
can send,
responsible. We are
our
responsible.
children to
You
your
are
zoo,
responsible.
actually?
You have to take care of your life. We can't take care of your life. We can protect you.
So better, I think, you know, as a PR officer.
See,
you have-
we have protected you from a war, right? You have to take care. After that, you are jumping in that it's your life. Then you have to take responsibility.
You are telling that, you know, don't come to my zoo.
No, I'm saying come to my zoo. Just keep your hands in your pocket. That's enough.
Normally in any zoo there may be some special trainers who can handle the animals. Is there any special trainer for your zoo?
Yeah, ma'am. We have special trainers.
If it is so, why you are not engaged?
We could not reach in that time fast, ma'am. It's a sudden thing which happens.
No, what I understand is you are not properly feeding these gorillas. That is why.
No, we are feeding gorillas. It's a nature, right? It's a gorilla nature. Okay, it will get angry. If it comes to their area, it will get angry. Like that, it thought, so it killed.
Yeah, you have.
From the very beginning of this press meet, you were resting on just one point, blaming the parents all the time.
So I am not blaming
So
the
let
parents.
me complete. Now this incident happened in the zoo, lost a gorilla.
Yeah,
So you are very sad about it.
I'm very sad.
Then you say now you are coming up with so many remedial measures to not that incident to occur repeatedly. Why did not you foresee this problem and put those remedial measures before so that you will not
Before this
do that
problem this happened, we thought it will be good. But if it happens only, we know.
You are not
Even
good.
Kerala flood acts come, right? Then that time they don't know it will happen. It happens, then we all get, okay, we have to take care of this, so right.
Is this
It's
the
like
first
that.
incident that has happened?
Yeah, it's the first incident. They didn't show second incident, right? It's the first incident for us.
Thank you very much.
So thank you so much. So we move to our second.